There are two ways to open designs in the design library from the Manage Designs Toolbox. So let's go there. We can get to the design library by clicking Design Library here or on the Manage Designs Toolbox. Now when you first install Hatch, the designs you see here will be the ones that come with Hatch, and they're in the Hatch Embroidery folder inside Public Embroidery. You'll also have these two folders inside My Embroidery, and they're probably going to be empty. They'll be empty until you start adding your own designs. So there are two ways to open designs. One is New from Selected, and the other one is Open Selected. Let's see what the differences are. In either case, we'll select some designs. Now I can either select from all of the designs because I'm in the Hatch Embroidery library, or I can go to a folder. Now if the folder has an arrow in front of it, that means there are more designs inside. So for example, if I open this one, you can see it has 3 folders. Now if you're not seeing any designs, always check up here where it says Showing. You'll see the most designs if it says All Embroidery Files. Now if your file seems to be missing, make sure that you haven't narrowed it down to some other format. So I had that one selected already. If I want to select a couple other ones, I'll just hold down the Control key, and you can see their little check marks in the corners, and I'll click New from Selected. Notice that each of these designs is now in its old tab, and the tab is named Design and a number. That means these are untitled, these are unsaved. When you do New from Selected, it opens the design in your default template. Now when you do this the first time, your background is going to be gray. We'll show you how to adjust your templates in another lesson. So now you can do anything to this design, and it won't change your original. You'll just do a Save As. Now the other way to open designs is to go to Manage Designs, and this time I'll do Open Selected. And I want to deselect those, and we'll select a couple others here. Hold down the Control key, and I'll click Open Selected. These designs all have a name because now we're working with the original design, and if I make any changes to this one and do a save, it's going to rewrite my original, and I probably don't want to do that. So to sum up, use New from Selected if you want to make changes to the design and not overwrite your original. Use Open Selected if you're okay with saving over to the original.